Hello everyone, do you want to speed up your website like this to this? Then let's dive into the video. Today I will show you how you can easily speed up your WordPress website, and this is my website, which is my agency website, and I will optimize it. So this is the lowest score and I can analyze it again to show you what is the current speed score. So you can see my WordPress website is currently 60 and it was previously 45 and it is ups and downing, but the details is FCP, LCP and TFT and CLS and speed index all are very bad. So I have to improve it. So let's dive into my website dashboard. First of all, let's go to the dashboard. Then install a plugin called WP Rocket. So I have already installed it. So I have activated the WP Rocket plugin. Then let's go to settings and WP Rocket. This is the dashboard, and here is the first work is to click on cache. Then click on enable caching for mobile devices, and you can separate it by clicking here. Then we have to click on user caching for logged in WordPress users, but I don't think we have to enable it. Then the cache lifespan is set to 10 hours. 10 hours is fine, but we can set to 1 day as well, or 7 days. As it is agency site, it can be stored as 7 days. Then go to file optimization, click on minify CSS file, then optimize CSS delivery and remove the unused CSS. It will remove all unused CSS and it will improve the page speed and the issues that it has. Here is the style sheet. So you can see the render blocking recesses of style name CSS files. So when we will enable this option, it will reduce. Then go to minify JavaScript files. It will minify all the JavaScript files. Then don't need to enable the combined JavaScript files, and it most of the time messed up website, so I don't enable it. Then click on delay JavaScript execution. You can also set to load JavaScript default, but I suggest to use delay. It will delay the loading of JavaScript and it will improve your page speed. But if you concern about your JavaScripts, then you can set to load default, but I will set to delay JavaScript. And here you can exclude some of your JavaScripts from here. If you using Google AdSense and you want to show the ads first, then you can exclude it, or analytics, or the Google Tag Manager. But I do not need to exclude anything, that's why I will not exclude any of this. Then go to media, enable lazy load for images and enable the CSS background images, enable iframe and videos. Then click on add missing image dimension. It will improve the image dimensions, and you can see here, like if you go to excessive DOM size or off-screen images, here these issues can be fixed by the add image dimension and lazy load. Then let's go to preload and active preloading, enable the link preloading, then advanced rules. You can set which pages you don't want to catch, and if you don't want to cache any page, then you do not need to add here. Then go to database and I will set spam comments, trust comments and all transition, optimize tables and schedule as daily. Then go to heartbeat and enable the control heartbeat, and that's it. Now let's save changes. So it is saved, and now let's clear and preload the cache. Cache cleared. Now it will show up the optimized website. Let's visit the website in private to see if full website is working fine or not. Okay, the site is loading done and all the images loading lazily. Let's check some post. You can see as taking time, it is for the server. Now let's click on a blog post. Okay, it is loaded, so everything is working fine. Now you can see when I click the home button, it immediately loads that page because it is already cached. Now let's check the page speed and analyze it. Okay, so you can see the optimized result, and you can see the FCP, LCP, to TFT and CLS with speed index all are improved. And also my desktop score is 100, but when I told you the score, that was also 95 because that was optimized result, as I am using the Cadence WordPress theme, and Cadence is highly effective. And also you can see the mobile score is improved to 98, so it is highly improved. And to do it, you can purchase the WP Rocket from their website. Like you can use their single plan for one website for $559, and for you, if you have 3 websites, then 119. And if you have unlimited website, it means 3 or more, then you can purchase the infinite plan and it will help you. So that's the video, and it is the easy process I can share with you, because just purchase the plugin, use it and enable the plugin, and it will give you a perfect result. Thank you.